Alright, you guys, so today I'm going to be doing the Death Nut Challenge. If you have a peanut allergy, do not do this. Read the labels on the back. If you are under the age of 18, please have parental consent. And just be very cautious with everything. Now, I know with the Nut Challenge, you should have more than one person, but it's just gonna be me today. So yeah. The first one is, are you ready for this? The second one is, the party is starting. Third is, question your commitment. Fourth is, boom, fire it up. 5, the death nut. And yeah. So, once again, this is what I am doing. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm a little bit nervous, and I don't really have anything to drink, so I'm unprepared. It's just spur of the moment. Okay, so let's put this in order. Are you ready for this? Is 1. This is 2. Oh, at least they have... Okay. So, they actually have, like, number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, I guess I'll just get into it since it's just me. I'm oh my god. I'm only on 1. Okay. Number 2. Let's get this party started. Thought it was already starting. I think I'm just gonna do a couple. Flavor's still not bad. Alright. Question your commitments. Let's do 2. Here on out, I'm just doing 2. I'm a weenie. Okay. Boom. Let's fire it up. Whew. Let's do 2 more. Hi, mamas. You're fine. Oh, her little babies got scared. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you saw that. But yes, I do have an audience today. Lord have mercy. Alright. And then here's the actual death nut. Whew. I'll do one more because I did say 2. Sure. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ooh, a nut fell out. Let's put that baba back. Oh my damn. So this is no joke. Oh, it is spicy. Audience or not. Oh. It's hot. If you dare, definitely do this. Whew. But I am dying. But at least I did the tears. Oh, do you see? I don't know if you can, I'm watering. I could swallow a bug right now and I would not care. Though would I not know, it would just burn up. But hopefully you enjoy. This was the Death Nut Challenge. And until next time. That nut challenge is super hot.